Ciao ragazzi, today spaghetti al limone, let's go! Finally a pasta that will remind you of Capri or Positano or Amalfi Costa. We're gonna use the lemon, some butter. I do olive oil, some people don't, but I do a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Parmigiano, reggiano, and spaghetti. Today for the spaghetti al limone. Lemon spaghetti. Water is boiling. We're gonna add the salt. Some sea salt from Italy. La 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 la. Pa 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 pa. Beautiful. Salty like the ocean. Now we're gonna grab the spaghetti. We're gonna put the spaghetti inside here. Boom. And we cook it 2 minutes less than the package. Whatever it says. If you say 12 minutes, just cook it for 10 minutes. All right? While our pasta is cooking, let's go to the next step. For this pasta, the parmesan needs to be really thin. Okay? So you need to find a micro blade. Blade like that. A lot of cheese. Gonna cut our lemon. Because we're gonna squeeze this lemon inside our pasta. Okay, our pasta is ready. We're gonna move the pasta right here a little bit. We add a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then butter. Slowly squeeze the 2 lemons inside. All right, so we're gonna squeeze the lemon. You want to put the lemon inside too. See, add some cooking water. Be careful with the heat. You don't want too much heat. I'm gonna start adding some Parmigiano inside here, and I'm gonna turn this off again. E faccio la mantecatura. It's always like you have to turn on and off the fire. So you're gonna add some cooking water and you're gonna turn on the fire and then you're gonna let it evaporate and absorb in the pasta, okay? Nostra pasta al limone. Voila. Finish with the sauce on top, put a little bit of lemon zest, very little, and the Parmigiano reggiano. Smells fantastic. Look at this, how beautiful, with the fresh Parmigiano. I can smell the lemon, the butter. I also smell the olive oil. Fantastic.